Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you really easily how to change your Shopify store domain. So what you need to do here, guys, if you're a beginner, if you're new to this, what you need to do is to go to bottom left corner, press on settings and be easily redirected to this settings page where you can see on the left side, guys, huge menu will pop up. So from this point on, what we need to do is to go to domain section down below and we need to press. You can buy a new domain, connect the existing domain, guys, or what you need to do is to change to a new MyShopify domain. So here, you can only change this domain name once. Your original MyShopify.com name will still be visible in your admin. There is no cost to make this change. So here you can type something right here and see a store with that URL address already exists. I mean, this is really amazing. So let's just try our name. Yeah, this is available. So you can add a domain, guys, but I will not do this because you're only allowed to do this once. Press cancel, and here is the other option. You can buy a new domain, guys. Domain is my store, isn't available. So here you can see, you can type in something like your name, it's in this case Wave of Wealth, and down below you can see other results. mystore.com is $28 per year, or mystore.com .co is 101 US dollars per year. So this is per year prices, not per month, guys. So keep it in your mind and check it out for yourself.